Rainwater Gardens is here. So we are doing a Collaboration Nation build. Here we have Dave Hamlin of Rainwater Gardens. Good to see you, Dave.
Hey Mike, how you doing?
So who do we got here? This is
Gus, our crew lead.
Gus, all right, cool. And then we have
is somewhere over there.
Javarius as well. Yeah, exactly. They're getting right to it.
Yes, sir.
Right, well, let's do it.
Happy to be a part of it.
All right. So we are on the final day of this amazing swim pond build. Of course, given everything we've experienced on this project, it's raining today. So we've had quite a bit of delays from rain and 4 different machines breaking down at different times. So this one has been a challenge, but we are really excited about how this is gonna look. There you can see we've got it filled up, and we just got to get in the pump, and we're gonna test her out, see how she runs, tweak the waterfalls if we have to, get in mulch and do some grading and get in some last plantings, and we should be all done. So we can't wait to show you the final product. There's a hole in the house. This is a cedar house. Woodpeckers love pecking on cedar houses. And so there's an old woodpecker nest right there. You can see it. And here goes, there's the bluebirds. There they are. We got the one here and the other sitting right outside the nest. So cool. Love them. Love bluebirds. So this was a nice little add-on patio that in the middle of the project, the customers decided to, you know what, I think we need something around this corner. And it's just a little extra seat. Look at what they got, this hanging chair. That's so cool. I love that hanging chair. And then this is where we have our rainwater harvesting downspout filter. So the rainwater comes down through here, is filtered in the filter, and then we have drain tile coming out underneath the patio. And it goes right down. Right down through here. And right there. So that's where rainwater, if it's raining heavily, you see a lot of water coming out of that spot right there. This is the reservoir, so we will top off the feature that way with natural rainwater instead of well water, which they have a lot of iron in there, so we don't want that to start staining the rocks orange. And then there's an overflow that comes out this way, and any of the excess water, once we top it off, just comes right out here. This is one of the coolest features about this swim pond. This is a negative edge, so that drop off that you see where the water just looks like it disappears into nothing, that is called a negative edge, and it's just a really cool thing to be able to see. It's very pleasing to the eye and relaxing to look out over the top of that waterfall and just see the woods right behind it. Wow. My face is red because it is hot out right now. But what an amazing pond. Really excited to show you all this. Just look at that beautiful recreation pond, 33 by 18 by 4.5 feet deep. Amazing way not only for you to relax and take a dip and cool down, but to also just take in that natural beauty. And the great thing about these is they just get better and better with age, as all these plants will be growing in and filling out. It's just gonna look better and better as the years go on. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and we'll see you in the next video.